Home. Home. Oh, sorry, I was just soaking up some sunlight to do some photosynthesis. Because I've decided I'm going to be an autotroph. Let's do the Bellringer.
All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
I'm not green, so I can't do photosynthesis. It's kind of a bummer. But of course, just being green doesn't make you do photosynthesis. You have to be green with chlorophyll. That's right, you need that molecule chlorophyll. And if you have that molecule chlorophyll, then you're gonna look green. And if you look green with chlorophyll, you're gonna be able to do photosynthesis. Of course, you need reactants, which are nice. And you'll get these products, which are good, right? Photosynthesis. A couple other vocabulary terms we talked about yesterday, right? The leaf organ is where photosynthesis usually occurs, right? And then the bottom side of the leaves have little openings called stomata. That's where the carbon dioxide gets in from. Okay? And then of course, plants need water. They pick up water from a structure called the, where is my clicker? They pick up water from a structure called the xylem. Xylem, X-Y-L-E-M, which is an awesome Scrabble word. All right, so to do photosynthesis, you need stomata to collect carbon dioxide. You need xylem to collect water. Stomata, carbon dioxide, xylem, water. Then to do photosynthesis, it's a two-part reaction. We have the day reaction, sometimes called the light reaction or the light-dependent reaction, which happens when chlorophyll holds water up to sunlight, and the photons of light from the sun actually bust those water molecules into two pieces. You get oxygen gas and you get hydrogen ions, right? That happens, you need light to do that. In fact, it doesn't have to be sun, it can be just regular old white light from a light bulb. It's pretty good. And because chlorophyll is green, it means it absorbs all of the rays of light except for green. Green's what bounces off of it. That's why if you tried to grow a plant in green light, you're not going to grow very well. The second reaction is called the dark reaction, or sometimes called the light independent reaction. It happens when the lights are off, although it can actually happen when the lights are on. It's basically you take those 12 hydrogen ions, you collect 6 carbon dioxides, and then you spin them around in the stroma of your chloroplast, doing what's called the Calvin cycle, and you wind up with a molecule of glucose. So the reactants that going in are water, carbon dioxide, and then what do you get out? You get oxygen and glucose. The reactants, products. And then, I don't know if you know this, but every plant can do this fundamental process. We call it photosynthesis.